Hi everyone, in this video we'll discuss the data exploring method using word frequency. NVivo has a tool that helps explore the data quickly. For example, if we have a very large data set, it is impossible to go through each document thoroughly and find important terms or phrases. Word frequency can help determine important words or terms based on their frequency in the dataset. Basically, this tool is similar to text mining, but it is a basic tool and not robust enough to be a true text mining tool. So we have to be very careful to use the term text mining with word frequency. There are some more robust text mining tools in the market, such as SAS Text Miner, which will be covered in DAV 724. Word frequency and word cloud are useful tools for us to conduct a preliminary exploration of the data and even use it as a starting point to build a node hierarchy. However, note that this is an exploratory tool which allows us to explore the frequent words in the data. It does give us some starting points and useful insights, especially if we have a large data set. But without some theoretical ground and non-node hierarchy, it's not easy and meaningful to use this word cloud for further analysis. In this example, suppose we want to develop codes based on the frequency of words that exist in the document. In other words, we'll use NVivo to identify the most frequent words in the dataset. As mentioned, we should make sure the user profile is correct. To see a user profile, go to NVivo Preferences. As you can see in the window here, the user profile initial connected to the current data is D1. We go to Explore tab on the menu bar and select Word Frequency. It will open the Word Frequency query window. We'll use the exact matches and change display words to 100 most frequent words with a minimum length of 4. We'll keep other options at default and click Run Query. This is the output of word frequency, which shows the word, length of the word, count, and weighted percentage. For example, in this case, we have research as the most frequent word, followed by work and think. Note that word frequency queries do not include stop words by default. These are less significant words like conjunctions or preposition that might not be meaningful to your analysis. We can exclude particular words from the query. For example, we might consider words such as think are also less relevant to our research and do not want to include them in the word frequency. Right-click on the word also and select Add to Stop Word List. That means in the next word frequency query, this word will not show up again on the list. We have different ways to present word frequency. This current window shows the summary. If we change to word cloud, it will show the importance of word or frequency based on the size of the text. This is a very popular tool that has been used in many reports because it's easy to visualize. For example, it shows that research is the most important words. Some other notable words include work, time, people, university, and so on. If you click on Gallery, you can choose different design styles for the word cloud with different color schemes and font styles. To save this word cloud, right-click on it and select Export. We can save it as an image in PNG to our computer and use it later in the report. So this is how to run word frequency using NVivo. Thank you and bye now.